students. In this video, we are going to talk about the different types of eye defects and why they are arises and what could be the reason and how this can be corrected. Okay, so this video specifically talks about eye defects, root causes, symptoms, and the method of correction. So eye defects can be happening due to variety of reason, right? Especially it could happen due to incorrect shape of an eyeball, improper curvature of cornea, elasticity problem, or focusing the problem, or it could be a structural or nerve related issues. But broadly these are classified into three categories: myopia, hypermetropia, and presbyopia. So let's talk about what is myopia. So myopia is very common. Most of the people would be having myopia, which is nearsightedness, which means you can see the nearby objects very clearly, but the distant objects looks blurry. Okay, so why this is happening? Because the light which should exactly focus in the retina, but in this case light is focusing in front of an retina, so that is what we call it as myopia. And if you look at the root causes, right, the eyeball is elongated, so the eyeball is either too long or cornea is too curved. So these are some of the reasons why myopia can occur, and this has to be corrected by using concave lens. Okay, second one is hypermetropia. Hypermetropia is farsightedness, so which means people would be able to see the far away objects very clearly, but nearby objects looks blurry. And the reason here is the light which is focusing behind the retina. So in case of myopia, we saw that it is in front of retina, but here it is behind the retina. And again, the root cause, it's exactly opposite to that of myopia. So eyeball is too short or cornea lens is too flat. This could be the reason. And how it can be corrected? It can be corrected using convex lens. And the third type of defect is presbyopia. So presbyopia is primarily happening for the old aged people. So after 40 years or so, right, the eye lens becomes less elastic, so making the near vision really difficult. So this is basically happening due to that age related process, and because of that lens losing the flexibility. These are some of the primary reason why presbyopia could happen. And correction can be using a bifocal lens, which is a combination of both convex and concave lens. So that way this could be corrected. I hope students you understand the key differences between myopia, hypermetropia, and presbyopia, and what are the root causes and how this is happening and how this can be corrected and so forth. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe.